Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the US dollar index, instead of making like a 1, 2, 3, which would have been very impulsive, it ended up making what I think is another ABC. If this is another ABC pattern, then I think this is actually going to end up being a W and X, a Y, and then another X, and probably this is going to end up doing something like this for a 1, 2, 3 up for another three-way pattern, and this is going to probably be a WXYXZ pattern. Definitely a well-known Elliot Wave pattern, but normally, these super complex patterns don't show up very often, but that definitely looks like what it is. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, as long as it's making higher highs, higher lows, then we know that we're likely in the wave A of this wave Z. Most wave A's do go up near the high of the previous wave B. So, I mean, I don't really see any reason to think that this trend is over. Hopefully there is going to be some pullbacks along the way because pullbacks is where we look to get long again, hopefully for the continuation of what I think is going to be a pretty decent little move to the upside for wave A. Eventually, a nice pullback for wave B, and then another wave C for the ABC of wave Z, most likely. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.